We're at Dairy Queen. They have some new limited blizzards, which they do all the time, have limited ones. But this time, they have a frosted animal cookie one, which sounded interesting because I really like frosted animal cookies. I prefer to eat them with the frosting side facing my tongue. So, yeah. The line is slow. Okay, so I don't know if you guys go to Dairy Queen a lot, but I haven't eaten anything out of this, and man, I feel kind of gypped because that's pretty low. That's what they normally look like. That's what this one looks like. I'm going to try not to be upset because, quite frankly, I'm not going to be able to eat all this either way. Bye, Dairy Queen. I might wait until we get home to try this. So, it says that it actually is obviously soft serve ice cream, duh. But also, apparently, it has frosting in it as well as animal cookie pieces. Do we see any animal cookie pieces? Not yet. Sorry, I was looking with my own eyes. But yeah, I mean, it looks pretty good. I've been trying to take a thumbnail picture, and I realized how unappealing it is because it just looks like vanilla on top. Yeah. We're almost home though. Okay, I'm back home now. Yeah, definitely low. I don't know. I don't really see much in this. So, I can't remember if I said, but the website said it was soft serve mixed with frosting, which is, I don't know if they have other blizzards like that, but I mean, it's pretty good. I do definitely feel like there's not a ton of frosting in it, which I'm happy because I'm really not the biggest icing fan. Oh, that's a good bite. Definite animal cracker sighting. Wait, I don't know what that was. It looks like there's actually sprinkles and cookie pieces. It's pretty good though. I like it. I would definitely consider ordering it again. I normally like chocolate, but if I was in the mood for like a vanilla base, I'd probably get this. So far, there isn't a ton of... choked on a sprinkle. So far, there's not a ton of stuff in it. It's mostly like the frosting flavor. But maybe I'll hit some more cookies by the bottom, I hope. Yeah. I mean, the spoonfuls with, you know, everything. Ice cream, frosting, sprinkles, cookies. Super awesome. The other bites are good, but kind of just taste like, I don't know, like a slight, you know, frosting flavor with vanilla. Cookie pieces are pretty crisp too. I mean, this is a good one. Can't lie. I like it. Oh, that was a good bite. A lot of cookie, a lot of sprinkle. Ah, that was good. I can't tell if it's getting pinker or not. Yeah, I don't know. Not a ton of cookies, but sometimes it happens there. Anyway, if you liked this video, and if you didn't like this video, please like it anyway, and subscribe to the channel. And I don't know. So, I clearly on this channel am eating things other than cereal because I like to. And, I don't know. I think I'm just going to start eating more random things that I feel like eating. Also, Wonder Woman 1984. Oh yeah, I used to give the cereals ratings. That Blizzard, I'm gonna go 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. My stomach hurts though. I'm probably gonna poop before bed.